You guys want to be in a video for like 10 seconds? I'm doing a documentary. I just want to check your pulse. I just want to check your pulse.
Yeah, sorry.
2 seconds, 2 seconds. You can keep jogging in place. You can keep jogging in place. I'm a runner too. All right, that didn't work. You want to be in my video for like 2 seconds? 2 seconds? 2 seconds? Yeah. I just want to check your pulse. I just want to check your pulse. All right, check it out. We got my man right here. So I'm gonna check your pulse, see how you're doing. Let's hold your hand out like this. Yep. Okay. You got a pace going on, bro.
That's right, baby.
All right, have a good day. Yeah, okay, that worked. That was nice. He was getting down. He had a pace going, man. Yeah, I like that. All right, we'll check these people out here. Oh, they look like they want to be in a video. You guys want to be in my shoot for like 2 seconds. I'm a rhythmical performer. I combine circus with music.
What do you want us to say? Nothing to say?
No, you don't have to say anything. All you got to do, I'm just going to check your pulse, so to speak. All you got to do is hold your hand out like this, and I'm going to check your pulse, okay? I'm going to put on my stethoscope. I'm the rhythmical doctor. Okay, I'm going to put my stethoscope on here, and I'm going to check your pulse here, okay? Whoa, very nice, very nice. All right, y'all have a good day now. Okay. Yeah, that's my man right there. Yeah. Hey, y'all doing all right? Good. Hey, can I take your time for like 2 seconds? I'm making a video. I'm a rhythmical performer. I combine circus and music. And I just want to check your pulse. This is my stethoscope. I'm the rhythmical doctor, okay?
Okay.
I just want to check your pulse for 1 second. I see you had a good pace going on. Can I check it? Okay. So, let me see here. I'm just going to put this in here right here. Whoa, girl, man, you had a good pulse going on there.
Well, thank
How many
you.
beats per minute are you running at?
I'm just walking so fast, so probably 135.
That's got to be about 135 right there, I'm thinking. Yeah, that's a good pace. All right, you keep it going on. All right, keep it up.
Have fun.
Yeah, you too. 135, not bad at all. That's a good pace right there. I can mix that.
Yes, that is good. You're a beat mixing material, right? You're there.
All right, so I hope you guys dug the DVD, all the beats and bops and clicks and snaps and claps and all that jazz, and I hope you laughed. And make sure to keep your eyes peeled for the near future. There's gonna be more CDs and DVDs and all that jazz coming your way. And don't forget to check it out on the website at bronkarlee.com. That's BRONKARLEE.com. That's Bronkar Lee.com. Jibber jibber jibber. Peace out. Peace out.